Africa already dominates global culture, but it doesn't dominate global economics. The gap between influence and income is a design flaw, not a destiny. The problem is African culture travels, but the money doesn't. Why? Because Africa exports culture without exporting the infrastructure that monetizes it. So I highlight the framework, and here I'll be calling it the cultural power stack. First, creation. Africa is world class here. Two, distribution. Platforms are foreign owned. Three, monetization. Revenue leaks out of the continent. Four, ownership. Africa owns the talent, not the rails. The solution I propose is the cultural power blueprint. First, build African distribution platforms. If you do not own distribution, you don't own power. To create IP protection systems, artists need legal and financial infrastructure. Three, build cultural capital markets. Imagine investing in African IP the way people invest in startups. Four, export culture with infrastructure. Don't just export music, export the ecosystem around it. The opportunity here is that Africa's culture is already global. Now it needs global monetization. Culture is the new currency, and if Africa builds the rails beneath its influence, it won't just entertain the world, it will actually shape it.